Hello dear students, so in today's class we will look at what is a linear PD with constant coefficients. Now by linear PD we mean linear ODE പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് നേരത്തെ. Linear ODE with constant coefficients. Suppose you have an equation of the form d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ d square y by dx square plus y equal to sin x. Okay, so we have used method of undetermined coefficients to find out the solution of such equations. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ കോംപ്ലിമെൻ്ററി ഫംഗ്ഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും. ഇനി നോൺ ഹോമോജീനിയസ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ഹാവ് എ particular integral. So by linear differential equation we mean all the derivatives occurring are of degree 1. ഇപ്പം ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പൊണൻ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഡി വൈ ബൈ ഡി എക്സ് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ പവർ 1 ആയിരിക്കണം. ദെൻ ഡി സ്ക്വയർ വൈ ബൈ ഡി എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ദി nth ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് അതിൻ്റെ എല്ലാം എക്സ്പൊണൻ്റ് 1 ആയിരിക്കും in a linear differential equation. And then there is no products between the derivatives. So you will not have a term like dy by dx into d square y by dx square. Okay. There is no product between the derivatives or the derivatives and the dependent variable. So you will not have a term like y into dy by dx. But same way when it comes to a linear PDE, that is a definition of again a linear PDE. So all the partial derivatives occurring appa equation le ella partial derivatives name degree 1 ആയിരിക്കും. Now there is no product between any of the partial derivatives and there is no product between the partial derivative and the dependent variable. So you will not have a term like z into dou z by dou x, z into dou square z by dou y square, so on. So that is how we define a linear PDE. Now when you write linear ODE with constant coefficients അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഡിയുടെ ടേംസ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഇപ്പം ഡി ബൈ ഡി എക്സിനെ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എൻ ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ, സോ യു ആർ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റിങ് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ഡി. സോ വെൻ യു കം ടു ദി പാർഷ്യൽ ഡിഫറൻഷ്യൽ ഇക്വേഷൻ, സോ ഇഫ് സെഡ് ഇസ് ആൻ dependent variable and x and y are independent variables, so you will have derivatives with respect to x and y. But I will denote here dou by dou x as d and the operator dou by dou y as d dash. Okay, so the general form of a linear PDE with constant coefficients, so that can be written in the form f of d dash z equal to f of xy. നമ്മൾ ODയുടെ കേസിൽ f of d y equal to some g of x എന്ന ടേമിലാണ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Now when you have a linear PDE involving constant coefficients, you have in the form f of d dash z equal to f of xy. So here f of d dash is something of the form, so that is summation over r, summation over s. So CRS is a constant, then you will have d power r, d dash power s. So this denotes the order. R and s denotes the order of your partial derivatives. ഇപ്പം r ഉം s ഉം 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ that will be dou by dou x of dou by dou y of that is the operator dou by dou x. അപ്പോൾ dou square by dou x dou y ആയിരിക്കും. ഇനി s equal to 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ d dash വരില്ല. So you will have dou square r by dou x square. Okay, similarly if r is 0, you will have dou square s by dou I raised to s. So r and s basically represents the order. ഇപ്പം x വെച്ച് എത്ര തവണ ഡിഫറൻഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, y വെച്ച് എത്ര തവണ ഡിഫറൻഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, that is the meaning. Okay, so for example, okay, so if you have the equation dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou x dou y. So if you see at each derivative, its degree is 1. ഈ പാർഷ്യൽ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവിൻ്റെ ഡിഗ്രി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന 1 ആണ്, ആൻഡ് ഹിയർ ദ ഡിഗ്രി ഈസ് അഗെയിൻ 1. സോ ദിസ് എ സെക്കൻഡ് ഓർഡർ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്, അതിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പൊണൻ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 ആണ്. സോ ഹിയർ you can write it as, so you are differentiating twice with respect to x, അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ d square എന്ന് represent ചെയ്യും. and here you are differentiating with respect to x, then with respect to y. d dash z. So the equation can be put in the form d square plus d dash z equal to x plus iy. So this is involving constant coefficients. D square indeyum d dash indeyum coefficients constant aanu. So that is how we denote PD involving constant coefficients. Okay. So now the most general solution. So when you have an equation of this form, the most general solution you will find the solution of the homogeneous part, f of d dash z equal to 0. So solution of that part is called the complementary function, and a particular solution. So find any solution of the whole equation 1. So that is called a particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral is going to be the solution of your PD. So when you take the complementary function, that will contain arbitrary constants. ODE second degree equation your complementary function will have 2 arbitrary constants. When it comes to PD, that can be arbitrary constants or arbitrary functions. Arbitrary term varuna solution aanu complementary function nu parayunnathu. So the most general solution will have a complementary function which is containing the arbitrary element. So f of d dash z equal to 0. Sorry, the solution of solution complete. Okay. So the one containing the correct number of arbitrary elements of corresponding homogeneous linear PD is called the complementary function. So the solution which contains the arbitrary elements is called the complementary function. So that is going to be the solution of f of d dash z equal to 0. And again any solution of your equation 1, അതായത് ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ്റെ ഏതൊരു സൊല്യൂഷനും ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, that is called the particular integral. So the general solution is going to be complementary function plus particular integral. So we look at a few theorems, basic theorems. നമ്മൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങൾ വരുന്ന theorems. Okay. These theorems you have seen in ODE and the proof is again the same. Okay. So the first theorem is, if u is a complementary function and z1 is a particular integral, then u plus z1 is a general solution of the equation. So this is what we have said just now. So we'll prove that. So you consider a linear PD f of d dash z equal to f of xy. Then you are given that u complementary function ആണ് z1 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന particular integral ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ complementary function will be the solution of the associated homogeneous equation. So therefore f of d dash u equal to 0. Now when z1 is a particular integral, f of d dash z1 will be a solution of equation 1 ന്റെ solution ആയിരിക്കും. So f of d dash z1 will be equal to f of xy. Now let us take the operator f of d dash u plus z1. Now by the property of differentiation, so this can be written as f of d dash u plus f of d dash z1. Now f of d dash u nu parayunna 0 avum, and f of d dash z1 will be equal to f of xy. So therefore we will get f of xy. Here u plus z1 is going to satisfy the equation. So therefore u plus z1 will be a solution. Now it becomes a general solution because here u will contain the arbitrary elements. So therefore this is a general solution. So the second theorem is, idum nammal ODE ku cheyna theorem aanu. So we use this result to write the complementary function. So if u1, u2, etc. un are solutions of a homogeneous linear PD, f of d dash z equal to 0, then summation r equal to 1 to n CR UR, where CRs are arbitrary constants, is also a solution. So if you have n solutions, then if you take any linear combination, that is again a solution of the given linear PDE, given linear homogeneous PDE. So again the proof goes this way. So you are given the equation f of d dash z equal to 0 and u1, u2, un എന്ന് പറയുന്ന solutions ആണ്. Now when you take the derivative of a scalar multiple, so f of, these are all properties of derivatives, okay. So if you take the derivative of a fx, that will be a times derivative of f of x. The same way f of d dash cr ur will be equal to cr f of d dash ur. ഇനി അതുപോലെ തന്നെ derivative of a sum is equal to sum of the derivatives. So f of d dash summation r equal to 1 to n vr, that will be equal to summation r equal to 1 to n f of d dash vr. So if we are given functions v1, v2, vn, so f of d dash of v1, v2, vn will be equal to summation r equal to 1 to n f of d dash vr. Now combining these two properties, so f of d dash of summation r equal to 1 to n cr ur, ആദ്യം summation property use ചെയ്യുക. So that will be equal to summation r equal to 1 to n f of d dash cr ur. Now you can take cr outside, so that will be summation cr f of d dash ur. ഇനി f of d dash ur എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 0 ആണ്, കാരണം each ur is a solution. So therefore summation r equal to 1 to n cr ur is a solution of the given PDE.